Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this Ashtanga tune-up series. This class is all about Upavista Konasana. This is a forward fold, wide leg forward fold asana in the primary series that will really teach you how to balance your strength and flexibility. One of the biggest misconceptions about this asana is that you are trying to pull or force yourself to go deeper. Instead, this asana again is about that balanced mind approach. So let's explore. So in Upavista Konasana, first mistake that many people make is that we try to do a straddle position. So a straddle position is when we're trying to do like that middle split and the feet are wide apart. This is a different asana in the Ashtanga practice. The straddle is called Konasana. So in Upavista Konasana, right? So they're both angle asanas. So one is a very wide angle. This is a like more narrow angle. How wide apart your feet are will be based on your flexibility as well as your body proportions. So first thing we want to do is make sure that when you reach down, you can hold onto your feet. In Upavista Konasana, wider is not necessarily better. So you don't want to think, oh, I should really try to push it so my feet are as wide apart as possible. This is like mistake number one. Just a good distance so they're kind of making like a nice V shape with the legs. That's first thing, mistake a lot of people make. Second mistake that often happens is that when people reach down, they're going to round the back, holding on to the foot in some place and then pulling. If you pull, you'll round the back and tighten the front body, and it will actually block you from getting into the asana. So you want to find your flexibility by drawing the navel in and then pivoting at the hip joints. When you pivot at the hip joints, we can take the hands on the ground. If you feel a big pressure, like your back needs support, you're going to round, then I recommend to take a block or two and actually use the block to support the chest. So then, maybe when you pivot, you cannot get the chest very close to the ground, but you can rest your chest on the blocks. Then reach down and flex the feet. So when you flex the feet, this will engage the legs, and you're thinking about actively reaching out with the legs, right? So we're kind of really strongly reaching with the legs. Now, strangely enough, when you reach outward with the legs, your femurs or your thigh bones are going to move back. So you don't want to try to push the femurs out. We want to actively reach with the legs, but draw the bones of the pelvis in. Next, we're thinking that instead of pulling with the arms, I'd like to see if you can actually just stabilize the shoulders and get the feeling almost more like you're pushing rather than pulling. And the stabilization with the block should allow you to find that. So just hold that for a moment. And then you can explore, can I remove a block? So we'll pivot at the hip.